Oh, okay. Right. Good morning, everyone. Okay, I think we want to show you our new engagement model, right, for the rest of the year. Okay, this is our agenda. Based on the principle of engagement model, we will go through the value, progress, coverage, and skill, and then we will cover a component of engagement model, like the artifact that we have, processes, and people management. Okay, for value. Okay, IT cost has been, this is all taken from what we have studied. Okay, IT cost has been reduced from 3% after we removing all the shadow application. Customer satisfaction is increased by 25% after we implement the automation of the retail management. Rate of return also reduced from 1.5 to 0.75 after we implement the direct retail online store. We achieved 46 million of additional revenue based on the ebook and music online. Okay. So this is where we are on the value. And the principle of progress. So this is where we progress today, as for today. Based on the blue color is the current. Okay. And involvement. Okay, our current involvement is 75%. 50%.
And then the involvement, the goal is 75%. And then the adoption is 30% current. And our goal is 50%.
I think the rate we put is
I cannot find how to.
Technical problem.
You're supposed to team architect. Outsource.
Okay. So I think it's a technical problem. We have some technical problem to get a number. Right. So basically, the involvement as for today, we are 50% in involvement in all the IT project. So our target is actually we want to go for 75%. Okay. Our current project is 50%, and our adoption is also, I think current adoption is about 30%. From 20% we go to 30%, and our target actually is 50% of adoption. Okay. So our coverage is basically we want to be proactively engaged in all the business meeting. So we want to get our seat in all the meeting. So we want to be part of their, when they do their business plan and business case, right? So this is where we want to bring the ITA value. And on the principal skill, and we identify based on the architect role that we have, business architect, we cover skill set. I think we have about 5 in grade 5, and they have done I think he or she has done the fundamental, and our target is going for foundation by Q1 next year. And infrastructure architect current rate of the skill is 3. Okay, and already done fundamental with the bootcamp, and looking forward for the foundation by Q1 next year. Information architect also current the skill set is 3. Also done bootcamp, fundamental, and looking forward for foundation class next year. And software architect, which is currently have a skill set of 6, already done the foundation, and looking forward for associate by Q2 next year. Okay, based on the engagement component, the first thing is artifact. Okay, we first of all we want to create the IT architecture repository. Okay, from here we want to collect all the business cases, business proposal, and also all the template, prioritization template, governance template, and all the reusable component diagram as well. Okay. So over here, other team like global team, all they can share, and also business team can be shared. Right. And also we're creating some new template like BLA, which is the business requirement architecture template. So in future, when we capture the requirement, we can use this template. Okay, this is maybe we can implement for the project team and also development team. And we will implement this change management template so to have a better control and better processes in the change management process. On the processes is we want to tackle this external partner, can be our vendor, outsource partner, to enforce using the BLA template and also change management template when we engage them. So we want them to follow our template and comply to our company. Application team member, we want to improve the application lifecycle through maybe implement a new IDE, right, to put all the automation together. on people, our current stakeholder that we deal with is project manager, VP of sales, and VP of application development and help desk lead. Also, we work with all the head of department, head of line of business. What we're planning to do is that we want to organize team building to get more engagement, right? Put all the stakeholders together to get more involvement. The last one, the management. Okay, on the team management, we want to have better reward to the team member when they successfully implement a project. It's extra bonus, like maybe if you meet on time, on budget, on everything on, then your bonus also on. So this is an extra bonus we're going to give reward. Then we also want to extend the specialization of the architect that via the knowledge sharing. So maybe a software architect, we want to extend them to infrastructure specialization also.
Cannot. So cannot go in front.
Cannot go we try to cross
information software business. In fact, the software don't ever match the doesn't know.
So we try to expand existing specialization through knowledge sharing. Okay, and then the last one is we want to identify any new opportunity in the risk management, because currently maybe a lot of users they do not think of the things like business continuity. So that's why we want to create awareness of business continuity, and they are not think about all this. Right?
Very good.